Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set the clock for your Nissan Xtrail 2007. So here you can see if you want to set the correct time for your car, all you have to do is just press on this knob here. You can push it down. Now when you push it down, it changes to a different state. Now it's showing, like at the moment it's showing trips for A and then trips for B, and then if you keep pressing it, it goes to clock, and then it cycles back to trips to a temperature, and then you keep going until you get to the clock. Once you get to the clock, you can just twist the knob to the right hand side to change the hour, or to the right hand side for the minutes and to the left hand side for the hour. So just holding on to this knob and then twist it, you can see the clock is changing. So just keep going. So it's a 12 hours clock, so you just set it to how you want it, and then if you twist it to this side, to the right hand side, it will change the minutes. And it even tells you here H and M stand for minutes and H stand for hours. So we're just going to switch it over, and once you're happy, just simply let go of the knob, and that's it. And that's how you can set the clock for your Nissan Xtrail 2007. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.